50 just arrived. We'll deboard, clean the airplane, and we'll get on and head to Munich. Well, after 24 hours of flying, I'm finally in Hamburg, Germany. Well, a rainy day in Hamburg. We're at the Airbus delivery center, and we're going to take this Airbus A321neo out. First stop, Keflavik. We're going to depart in about 45 minutes. This is the Airbus delivery center in Hamburg. There's our airplane. Brand spanking new. And it's only been airborne one time. As you can see, all coach seating. JetSmart's a low-cost carrier down in Chile.